FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. We use FOIL when working with binomials. If you recall, a binomial is an algebraic expression of the sum or difference of two terms. Here, x plus 1 is one binomial, and also x minus 2 is another binomial. So when do we use FOIL? We use it when we multiply two binomials together. It acts as a guide to help us multiply the binomials out properly. For first, you multiply the first term of each binomial together. This is the same as saying multiply the left term of each binomial together. For this problem, the first term in each binomial is x, and so when we multiply x by x, we get x squared. For outer, we multiply the outer terms together. This is the same as multiplying the left term of the first binomial with the right term of the second binomial. Here, we multiply x by negative 2, and we get negative 2x. For inner, we multiply the inner terms. This is the same as multiplying the right term of the first binomial with the left term of the second binomial. Here, we multiply 1 with x, and we get x. For last, we multiply the last term of each binomial together. Or we could think of it as multiplying the right term of the first binomial with the right term of the second binomial. Here, we multiply 1 by negative 2 and get negative 2. After finding all these values individually, we add them together. In this case, we add x squared with negative 2x, x, and negative 2. Be sure to look for like terms. In this case, we have negative 2x and x. They have x with the same power, and so we can add those two values together. And so the product of our two binomials is x squared minus x minus 2. Thank you for spending some time with me.